If you're printing remotely, this is how you will get set up to print. You will download the Sindoh desktop tool onto your computer. Once you're in the tool, you'll need to add your printer by going to Printer in the top left, then press Add Network Printer. If your printer is connected to the same Wi-Fi network, it will pop up automatically. To get your STL file into the software, press Load and find the file you're looking to print. If you're wanting to add more than one file, you can click Load again and choose the ones you'd like to add. With the part selected, use the rotation tool to place it on the correct face. When it's in the correct orientation, you can click and drag the part to move it to a different part of the bed, then press Apply. Adjust your print settings by clicking Settings. You can change the speed and quality of your print and add or remove automatically placed supports. Once you're done with that, you'll click the slicer tool on the right side to give your 3D printer a tool path for printing. Once that's complete, press Print on the right side, and again when the information box pops up.